this delicious and flaky cheese and onion puff pastry. Boil the potatoes and saute onion, remove from the heat and set aside. While potatoes are still hot, start mashing. Add some cheese and mix it well until you notice it starts melting. Add cream cheese and saute onion, mix it well. In the last, add milk, butter, white pepper and Dijon mustard. Give it a last mix. Take a piece of pastry, add filling, place another piece on top, seal the sides, egg wash it, transfer it to the baking tray. Sprinkle some sesame seed, bake in preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 25-30 minutes until golden brown on top. Enjoy.
Let's make cheesy puff pastry. Add flour and salt to a chilled bowl. Grate in cold butter and add lots of cheddar cheese. Pinch together with your fingers until a pebble-like crumbly texture forms. Make a well in the center and pour in icy cold water. Bring your dough together with a fork and then form into a loose, shaggy ball. Cut your dough in half and check out that buttery marbling. Wrap it in Glad Wrap and leave to rest. Now you can work with your puff pastry as you would with a store-bought one, but this one's tastier. Enjoy!
If you haven't tried a potato, cheese and onion pasty, today is the day because they are outrageous. First thing we're going to do is fry up some finely diced potato until it's nice and crispy. In with a dollop of butter, and then we're going to add some grated onion and just fry that for a minute or so. Then just place that all into a bowl, then we're going to add in some cheese alongside some parsley, mustard and some cream. Season with a good pinch of salt and pepper, and then we're going to give it a mix until it's evenly combined, and there is your filling done and dusted. Grab a sheet of puff pastry and we're going to divide that into 4. Plonk the filling towards the left side of the pastry, and then we're going to egg wash around the edges. Then just fold over the right side to seal the filling and gently press down with your fingers. Once you contain the filling, we're going to grab a fork and crimp the edges just so none of the filling leaks out. And then just grab a sharp knife and make some steam holes on top of the pastry. After that, we're going to grab a greaseproof tray or just lightly oil it. Pop the pasties on, and then we're going to use some more egg wash on top, and then we're going to whack them in the oven until they're golden and flaky and crispy. And there you have the most delicious potato, cheese and onion pasties. The full recipe is on my blog and the link in my profile will take you there. Enjoy!
Custard pastry squares. This butter though. Melt the butter. Egg wash. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 C. Fill custard.